Alright, good. Now I'm going to catch you for the top road up. What's yours then? Come on, so for example, you live anywhere there, so you run up as a 10 times a man, alright, you know? Come on there, so.
I'm right, so don't this.
Alright, so no name. The blue G. That tough little guy on. Come to here and talk to you. Come in here, video shop behind this. Alright, good. You, come here. Come back that side. Go back a little bit, man. Go back. Right, go back. You, come here. You want to come closer to me? Oh. Alright, walk in your mommy and put your hand on your chest. Don't move. Yeah, my dad, you have a son. I'm going surgery. You mean? Yeah, man. Give me your number now. Yeah, man, a long time. Come on, that big body. I'll get you back. That's one I make my decision. Which I burn? Yeah, man, cry sometimes. Seriously. I'm in the valley of decision. Come on, that big valley. That's when I make my decision. I'm cool though. All over fight on the fool though. Man cool though.
You breathe, yes, man. No, you don't think that's right. Yeah. Hello, we are looking outside our way.
Alright, that is a good TV.
These rings.
Stop her now, TV. Stop her. Because the police and soldier man you like, you know. Alright, TV. Just go walk and come back. Alright, sorry. You know what? Walk to me. You want to walk and stop right? Straight up.
That's a walk and a wine.
No, man, you have money. A soldier and policeman me like, you know what you do. Alright, so come back, look, wait, stare at my focus first. Alright, so walk and come up. Like I stop you, walk. Try face away there. No, I want you if we come here, so. And like a walk, so I reach up to him.
Okay.
Just stop. Wait, where you stop me from? Where you call me from?
Yeah.
You know you like me. Really. So you don't have to sit down, but you can talk. Action. Yes, yeah, you have to be soldier and police, and them the man them I like. Stop wasting my time. I just keep on walking, alright? You can see them say, oh, I can't behave so. You can't behave so, I have to behave so. I'm ready now.
What make you behave so? A long time I like you.
No. Then you have a reply, you know.
What may I say
Step
again?
forward a little bit, come closer.
What may I say again?
James, listen me, sir. You know how man love style up, man, sir. Listen me, sir. A soldier and policeman you like.
Yeah.
And you are none of them. So stop wasting my time and then you just walk off. Alright, so what you just say when I'm ready?
Make you go on, so. A long time I like you, you know.
Listen, sir, you're no soldier or police. And there's something there. Soldier man and police thing there straight.
Oh, yeah, boy, yeah, man.
You can't say that. You like you, man. Don't tell you, man, about going where you go.
Yeah, that we would have said that real life.
Just we know that you answer, but me not a real life. This. Say to her, say. So when she said that, that's what I plan.
Yeah, alright.
Oh, man, that's fine.
What I do for two?
In a real life, not tell me what I do in a girl.
Don't say that in a real life.
I start trace you. I don't know what I do.
So say that back to him and then walk off. Yeah, man. So a soldier and policeman, I think they walk off. And action now.
A soldier man and policeman thing is straight. You're not ready for this.
Alright, yeah, alright, man. Everything good.
Yeah. No, man. In good, man. Ready.
Alright.
Get the soldier clothes now. The next shot now, me I go catch you. Take up the change off in a hit now. Then you go buck her up again now.
Yeah.
After you change up now, just step out, you buck her up. Oi, stop there. Okay, a soldier man now. Oi, stop there.
Yeah.
And I
Stop.
said, oh,
He smile.
Yeah.
No, you don't know him because he mask up.
Oh, I mask up.
Smile.
Yeah.
Wagwan. You know what I say?
Yeah.
Wagwan.
Your phone number.
You understand what I say? You wagwan no more. Let's say wagwan now. She say, she can say to you, say, rub down your chest.
Where are the late, sir?
Where's that going now? Say, no, give me your number now. You know, give me your number now.
Yeah.
She say, yeah man, see it, I don't give you a number.
Yeah.
And she say, call me now.
Yeah.
Say, alright, say, alright. And then do that scene there. But we have to close for your scene when people find out, say, you're not
You're
soldier,
no
you know.
soldier, yeah.
But I wonder, I talk
But
to
you
fire.
have to
If
take
we
it
left
off
that
the
for part 2,
Yeah.
part 3.
I carry it over down for true. Can't do everything in one part.
I don't know.
So, Mr. Brown, before you tell about everything what just going on a while ago, talk a little bit about the... Yeah, that's one of the obstacles them where you face to when you do the filming. Yeah. But first thing I talk about though, because I notice, I don't know if you notice it because you are doing a whole heap of work. The temperature, my boss, and the sun hot.
Hot. Yeah man, I notice it. Them don't think they can't overlook them. It is very hot. I don't like to shoot them time of day, which is what? 12, 1 o'clock. It is hot. But we have to get the work done, so we don't mind. We kind of overlook that when we're doing the work. But you didn't ask me what this scene is all about. Well, this is a follow-up from what we've been doing from this morning in terms of the part when Thief the clothes. So we are doing, this is like the beginning of that. Because we shoot way different from how most people shoot, you know. We will shoot a scene here, but it's not the beginning of another scene. So this is actually the beginning of that scene when Thief the clothes. And then now we are going to do the ending right now. So we did the beginning, we did the middle this morning, we just do the beginning and then we are going to do the end. So that's how we shoot. We kind of shoot all over the place, but because we know exactly what we want and how it will come together in an edit, it's easy. So that we are going to do now.
Alright, good. About 2 more things, or 3 more things. The process of communicating what you have in your head as it relates to the scene. Tell me about that when you're shooting and communicating that message to the actors or actresses. Like, what is that experience like?
Alright, how me approach it is that I tell them exactly, I try sometimes, not all the time, but I try to tell them what the whole context of what we are going to do is all about. So I guess when you tell them of what the context is, then now when you tell them what to say, I feel like them bring it across easier, because then now them can embody exactly what you tell them before. So I don't only tell them someone why you have to say cow jump over moon. I tell them why I want them to say cow jump over moon, so them have a better understanding of how to communicate that in what them say. Because if you don't do that thing, you just tell them someone why you have to say, oh, I like you, ray. They might not communicate that properly, you get me? But if it's a case that they can actually tell them exactly why you want to do it and how the scene will come together, it will be easier for them to say that.
Alright, cool. So, just finish up one scene. What go on for the rest of the day now, boss?
Like a pass. Hold them. Alright, value a decision, we are trying to finish it. We don't know if we can post it today, but we edit most of the scenes. This is the hardest part of filming. When we do most of the scenes and then we are trying to get all of the additional pieces to make the whole story come together. That is always the hardest process. Cut out that sound.
Yeah, man, as the people can say, them are things that we always face, but I work on it.
So, we are trying to grill up this story together. We shot one yesterday, we get whole heap of scene of that. We also try to finish it today for post either upon Jamaican or Richard Brown Films. But definitely want to say thanks to everybody that is championing us on, and everybody that feel that way when we did lose the channel. Now we get it back, and the work does a person, and that's why we even do some behind the scenes. So big up on yourself, continue to support the movement, because it only grow and get bigger and better. Alright? Alright, let's go.
Might pull up your pants, dog. Pull up, or pull on your shirt.
Huh? Where am I going? Hey!
You're not TV?
Yeah.
Me tell you when. Let me see last shot I have this man. Alright, TV. Walk around this.
Yeah.
Walk around this and come on that tree. Let me tell you when. No man, go on. Alright, right, that's so good.
Whoa, there, man.
Alright, right now, action. Hold on. Just like I'm there showing you while it's on white shot. But sometimes even though it's storyboard, so what you can always do what you want, it's storyboard that is just a guideline. Ready now. Don't move. Where boot there? Yeah, about to.
Hold on, Richard, I put them on also.
You want to put it on also?
You have to put them on also.
Alright, so just, eh?
You just want to look at one also. Like say.
No man, put more you put them on, but you don't hard for you to do that, no?
You don't take it.
Alright, so here we go.
Take off this and put on that.
Yeah man, so here we go. We got to do something. Just take them out, go and take them out. Alright, so next shot do you catch with now. I'm going to walk. You know, have to put them on. Only pants. Once you put on the pants. Just the pants. Yeah, just at least the pants alone. Then you can go over fire. Put on the over shots. Just put on the over shots.
So I put him back then. No.
No, don't put them in back. Put on the pants first and then we go over, put them on back and come do the other scene.
Alright.
Yeah. So put on that man. Yeah, put on the pants. Put on back the pants and take them back. Right, ready now. Alright, so come put everything and come put them on over so. Then now next shot now, all you want to do, when you step out now in your uniform and she see you tap her and chat to her. Easy scene for close. So scare everything come put on over so we come back. Alright, so Tiffy I got us change, come back and then we do the scene up so. You see me? We just grill up everything to try and make the story come together, you see me? So stay tuned and don't go nowhere.